Looking to generate passive income and boost your portfolio in 2025? High dividend exchange traded funds, or ETFs, can be a smart way to achieve this in the Canadian market. By investing in a basket of dividend paying stocks, you can diversify your holdings and potentially earn attractive yields. Today, we're highlighting some of the top high end ETFs available to Canadian investors. First, we have the iShares Core S&P or TSX Composite High Dividend Index ETF, trading under the ticker symbol XEI.TO. This ETF is a popular choice, tracking a broad basket of high-yielding Canadian companies across various sectors. Its diversification and typically lower management fees make it a solid foundation for income-focused portfolios. Next up is the BMO Covered Call Canadian Banks ETF, with the ticker symbol ZWC.TO. This ETF focuses on Canada's major banks and employs a covered call strategy. This approach aims to generate a higher yield than simply holding the bank stocks. Though it might limit some potential for capital growth, it's an option for those prioritizing income generation. Finally, consider the Horizons Active High Dividend ETF, trading under the ticker HDIV.2. This ETF takes an active approach to selecting high dividend paying Canadian companies. The active management team aims to identify opportunities for potentially higher yields, but keep in mind that active management usually involves a higher management expense ratio. Remember that all investments carry risk, and dividend yields can fluctuate. Always conduct your own thorough research and consider your individual financial goals and risk tolerance before investing in any ETF.